So this is what's going on right now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Owen's trying to jack up the car so that he can undo the brace between the trans and the diff mount. Oh, and there's an exhaust that we have to get out. But this is the newest part out. 70 mile Miata. It was a crash test car. And there's the damage. Brook Boys lift.
Dude, this is what I don't like.
Perfect. Owen's undoing the subframe.
What?
Owen's undoing the subframe over here. This car is actually really, really clean. We're from Wisconsin though, so this is the cleanest car we've ever seen. But these exhaust bolts, I don't know how you can see them, but they're literally like finger tight. Like minimum effort just gets them off. Subframe's almost out, just have to get the rear bumper off. No one's down there getting out the bottom ones. But this is what it would look like if you had a Miata with like a 6-inch lift. And if you kicked your tire all the way back. Rear subframe's out. Got 2 hours till we gotta work. So let's see how far we can get on the front. Well, it's been 10 minutes since I last talked to you, and here we are. Actually, it's been like 30. But Owen just has to get out one more bolt, and she's ready to drop. Just got done at work where we dropped 2 more subframes. Now we're heading out to eat, and then we're heading back to the Miata. And 4 hours later, here we go. Motor's completely out. Full drivetrain's out. Took us 4 hours. Gotta pull off the motor from the trans, and I gotta pull apart all these brake lines because somebody wants like 3 of them. So I got the 2 brake lines and the 1 clutch line out, and Owen got the clutch and the trans off the motor.
And the exhaust off.
And the exhaust. And clutch is right here. Still has the factory rating on it. They're gonna hoist her out. Then we gotta disconnect the trans and get the diff out.
Trans.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, got the motor completely out now. And that my bare subframe. And Owen's clutch. Motor's out. Trans is out. Next is the diff. Right?
Yep.
Heading out now, but we'll see you in the next upload.